Today we are making best beef kebab strip-loin steak. Air fryer, air grill. I'll give you this perfect marinade, this perfect recipe. You can make this recipe in under 30 minutes, my friend. The time has gone right here. This is one skewer. Let's check it. Two beef strip-loin steak pieces. The net weight on this is, you can see here, it's 283 grams. Look at this steak. Let me show you. It's tender, it's full of fat, and we are not removing this fat. This is the whole trick. If you want your meat to be juicy, tender, flavorful, my friend, you need this. So this is approximately about 1 inch thick meat cut. That's the first thing we will do, my friend. Yes sir, same with this guy as well. Once you make the strips, it gets easy to cube it out for the kebabs. I can leave it if you want thicker kebabs, no, but I want to keep it a little bit smaller version. It takes less time to cook, it's tender, and yes sir, it's gonna be flavorful. Put all three strips on the side, leave 1 inch gap between, and make cuts. 1 inch gap. Remember that. Kebab cubes, my friend. The cubes are ready. Let's add this right here. This is our marination bowl. Another, and the last one. Leave this white fat with it. It tastes so good, man. Look at this. This is approximately about 600 grams of steak. Unsalted Irish butter. This is 227 grams. We need half of it. We will microwave this at least for 30 seconds. It's gonna be all melted then. 112 grams of butter. It's microwaved. It's melted. Let's add all of this right here. Fresh cloves of garlic, since it's a garlic butter, is the main thing for this recipe. 9-10. They go right here. 1 tablespoon of regular table salt goes here. 1 whole big tablespoon of cumin. You see this? Big means it's all the way full, having a mount on top. Goes in here. 1 whole big spoon of coriander seeds. Whole. Goes right here. Half tablespoon of chili flakes. This is optional. If you don't want your food to be extra spicy, you can skip that. So here you go. Look at this. Half tablespoon of meat tenderizer. Any meat tenderizer you like it, use that. So easy, right? Very less ingredients, full of flavors. You will be surprised with this recipe. All right, let's blend this. This is the blend. Look at this. It's hot, you know. the melted butter was hot. All right, look at here. We will land everything right here. I'm wearing a new glove. Let's give it a mix. So the meat is covering with all the flavors, all the seasoning. Look at the quantity I shared with you. You don't need a lot of time on this. We just need 10 minutes for this marinade to work. Bamboo skewers, we'll use those. We have raw white onion. We'll need some cubes out of this. We will need some cubes out of our red pepper. This is more reddish. I'm gonna use this. So we'll make some cubes just like that. Remove this part, put it on the side, remove this part. Here you go. So the pepper is clean all the way. Make pepper cubes, man. Very easy. Right? Slice it, and then square it up. Just like that. Right from the center, just like that. And then I'll slice it here, and then I'll slice it here. So I have cubes of onion right here. You see this? Steak, onion, and pepper. Who don't like that, man? Air grill. Let me show you this. This is Ninja Foodie Grill. It can do air crisps and it can do grill as well. Air grill. So this is air grill, air fried grill. Put it onto roast. It's 375 degrees. The time 15 minutes is the max. For this steak, for these vegetables, this delicious beef steak kebab recipe. This is enough. Let's turn it on. It's on the preheat. In the meantime, the perfect thing to do, right? And at least let's make 3 skewers out of it. This is 100% home cooking, full of flavor cooking. You will love it. This is a steak. You guys see it's drying out, but it's all fine. This is just the, butter. Just flat out the meat, just like that, and put it like here. Once you add it, add 1 small size of onion, just like that. Look at this. It's looking good already, huh? And top it up. Look at this. We all can make this recipe at home. Indoor. It's an indoor grill. This is 1 skewer. I have 4 pieces of meat. I have peppers, I have onions, and it should look like this. 3 beautiful skewers are ready right here, guys. Look at this. Who don't want garlic butter beef steak kebabs in your air fryer grill? Once you just add this right here, my friend, 3 skewers are down here. Wonderful. Indoor cooking. Listen to the sizzle. Mic is here, so that's why I'm closer to it. Let's close this. It says 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, we will check it. We might need to flip it. In another 7 minutes, look at the meat. I still have meat. Let's make some more. 7 minutes, our beautiful kebab skewers were in the air fryer grill. Look at this, guys. I want my meat to be medium well. That's why I'm cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes. Look at this sizzle. Look at this char. And I have made 3 more beautiful skewers. Time has gone. Beautiful beef kebab skewers in your air fryer. Let me put it here. I haven't chopped anything except the vegetables on it. I have wiped it. It's all clean. The raw form, the cooked form. You can make this with your friends and family, or you can make by yourself and invite some guests over. You will love this recipe. Subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon so when I post videos, you should know about it, right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and enjoy this recipe. Once you make it, don't put your cooked meat right next to the raw meat. It's just for the video. I just want to make it clear. This is the moment of truth. Let's grab our meat right here and let's check it. Man, I hardly even pulled it. Oh my god. Wow. Perfect. You are missing out on this recipe, man. Butter garlic beef Striplion steak kebabs, my friend. Another batch is going in. Let's land this right here with 12 to 15 minutes, and you will love this recipe.